Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you how to control mealybug in your plants. That too only in 3 minutes, and that too without any expenditure. Nothing you have to spend only. And this is the home remedy, best remedy for controlling every kind of mealybug, be it in any of the hibiscus plants or confident rose, any of the plants or papaya. You see the how much infection is there with this mealybug. They have totally rotten the plants, damaged the plants totally. And I am showing you another stem here. You see the top of the stems is totally infected with the mealybugs. This is the white mealybugs, and they totally damage your plants. And you may apply some of this Thiamethoxum or Imididachlorpid. Lots of insecticides are there, you have to apply, but this time you don't have to apply anything, not a harmful thing, only thing that you have in your house, and the most easiest thing. And in 3 minutes you see the control. You see, take around 500 ml of any normal water, and take around kerosene oil, only 4 drops. Kerosene oil is used as a fuel in many of the villages and towns, in many of the houses, and sometimes they are also used as a fuel for running the generator also. So kerosene oil is available in everywhere, and this is the here I have applied around mix 4 drops only, 4 drops of kerosene oil in half liter of water, 500 ml of water in only 4 drops. Don't give much, and just shake it well, properly shake it well, and keep it for around 12 hours. And after 12 hours you take it out again and again, shake it well, then you can spray. So this is ready, and I have made it ready for 12 hours before. Last night I have prepared it, mixing 4 drops of kerosene oil in 500 ml of water and shaking it well. Now I will be spraying with a sprayer. You see how I am controlling, and this is the best method I have learned from the local nurseries. They apply this one, they are not applying any of the thiamethoxum or organochlorine or any kind of insecticide, and they are very nice. So don't spray raw kerosene oil. If you apply raw kerosene oil, then you may burn the leaves of these plants. So don't apply only 4 drops of this kerosene oil in 500 ml of water, or 0.5 ml of kerosene oil in 1 liter of water. So this is here I am spraying where there is a much infestations of these insects, and spray it thoroughly, very nicely. Just rinse the plants with this liquid, and you will see the results in 3 to 5 minutes. You will be amazed to see all will drop off from these plants, and all will be killed. So you see they have the layer is wax layer on this body wall, so they will be dissolved and they will be killed with this kerosene oil mixture, and they will be totally killed. I am applying here. You see how they have infested and totally damaged the shoot here. And apply, please apply. And if you want, you can apply in the fresh plants also where the no infection has occurred, so there won't be any of the infections. And sometimes the ants also come here, so you can control the ants also with this spray. And I will show you the results in 3 minutes. Welcome back, friends. After 3 minutes you see many of the insects have dropped to the ground. You see they are killed, almost killed, and in a few minutes they will be totally killed. All the insects will be killed, and they are not harmful. If they are not falling off, you just shake it properly and they will fall off from the stems. And you see many of these things are cleared in only 3 minutes, and in next 4 to 5 hours all the plants will be cleared. And if you want, you can wipe out with a cloth also. You see all the dropped here and they are killed insects. And this is the easiest method and homemade remedy. If you want, you can wipe out with a cloth, and all your insects will be gone, all your whitefly, all your mealybugs will be controlled here totally. So this is the controlling method, and I tell you, please try it in your home, and write down in the comments box below how they have controlled. And you can apply once in a week, and there won't be any of the mealybug problem in any of the hibiscus or papaya or in the guava, any kind of plant. There won't be any insects. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give a lot about the garden tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice.